Press at the New Delhi World Book Fair 2025. I'm here with author Vidisha, author of Your Turn to Rise. Ma'am, what inspired you to write this book?
Absolutely. So I've been a coach and a corporate leader for almost 2 decades now, and I know the struggles that women face when they are actually trying to ace the workplace.
Right.
So the intent behind writing this book was my way of giving back, so that how I struggled, I didn't want other women to. So I've actually mentioned 12 different strategies that women can use to ace the workplace. So this was my way of sharing anecdotes, stories, which are not just theoretical but practical. And there are anecdotes, there are case studies, there are tips and tricks of how you can ace the workplace. So whether it's about negotiating for a pay, or asking for a promotion, or really having your voice heard, and trying to create balance. Because today, unfortunately, even though we are 50% women in the biologically representation of in the country, however, in the workplace it's less than 20. So something obviously is going wrong, So where are the women going? Where are they vanishing? So this is for those women who feel stagnated, who feel that the world's telling them that they are not good enough.
Right.
So this will give them the ammunition and the tools to really rise in their workplace and in life.
Wow, wonderful. So would you say this book is mainly for women today? I mean, it is beneficial to them. But how important is it that men also read this book?
I'm so glad you asked that question. In fact, a lot of my male colleagues and well-wishers have been reading the book, and they've been telling me exactly the same thing. Right? They're saying that, I know that you've written this for women, but I think it's even more important that men at the workplace and men otherwise, if you're a parent, if you're a coach or a leader at the workplace, you must read the book. Because one, it helps you empathize with what women go through. It helps you become a better ally. And of course, it tells you also ways that where the biases creep in. Because when you are aware about the biases, that's when you can make the workplace more inclusive. It's a really, really nice question. And I think when I wrote that book, that's what I also had in mind, that while it is targeted to women specifically, but it is relevant for everyone.
Exactly. If men make up 80% of the work, it's their responsibility to break these biases.
Absolutely.
So for anybody who's reading this book, what is one important thing that they can gain from it or take away?
Right. I think one important thing that they can gain from this is I talk about 12 different strategies in the book, right? So I think whatever resonates with you. So when I was doing research for the book, a lot of the women, they spoke about saying that I find it difficult to speak up. I find it difficult to negotiate. I find it difficult to self-advocate for myself. So I think there are many messages in the book. And if you were to, if you're a woman and you want to say that, what's that one takeaway for me? I think there's going to be more than one. But for me personally, when I was writing the book, the one takeaway was that how to advocate for yourself and how to become your own cheerleader.
I think this is an important book, and I think you're doing a noble cause. So that's been Your Turn to Rise by author Vidisha. Thank you so much for coming here. Congratulations on your book.
Thank you so much.